निष्ठ विश्वविद्यालय प्रथम समावर्तन उत्सव पालन गंजाम जिला गोलंतरा निकटस्थ निष्ठ विश्वविद्यालय प्रथम समावर्तन समारोह मंगलवार दिन अनुष्ठित हो जाइछि। एथिरे निष्ठ विश्वविद्यालय 10 जन छात्र छात्री को स्वर्ण पदक सहित 19 जन छात्र छात्री को रौप्य पदक सहित समुदाय 187 जन छात्र छात्री को डिग्री प्रदान करा जाइछि। एथिरे नालकोर सीएमडी श्री विजेन्द्र प्रताप सिंह मुख्य अतिथि भाव में जोग देथिबा बेले सुनामधन्य ओडिसी डांसर तथा पद्मश्री पुरस्कार प्राप्त डॉक्टर अरुणा महांती सम्मानित अतिथि भाव में जोग देथिले। तेबे निष्ठ विश्वविद्यालय प्रतिष्ठाता तथा सभापति डॉक्टर सुकांत के महापात्र छात्र छात्री को उत्साहित करने सहित उभय जातीय और अंतर्जातीय स्तर में विभिन्न दक्षता प्रतियोगितार सेमानकर सफलता उपरे विवरणी प्रदान करथिले। तेबे भविष्य में छात्र छात्री मानकर विकास पाई विश्वविद्यालय परिसर में एक सेंटर ऑफ एक्सलेंस प्रतिष्ठा करने सलोना सहित स्वाक्षर कर सूचना देते। तेज विश्वविद्यालय कुलपति प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर प्रियदर्शिनी पात्र वार्षिक विवरणी पाठ करते। उत्सव में विश्वविद्यालय बोर्ड ऑफ जो कि गवर्निंग बॉडी मेंबर रही चिकिटी विधायक श्री मनोरंजन ध्यान समांतरा एवं सहित डॉक्टर प्रत्युष बंसल डॉक्टर अनुराग अग्रवाल श्री विमल मिश्र श्री रंजन जेना जोग देते। तेबे रजिस्ट्रार डॉक्टर विष्णुकर नायक एवं धन्यवाद अर्पण करते। यह कार्यक्रम को डॉक्टर मानस रंजन पात्र एवं स्वाधीन मिश्र डॉक्टर प्रीतिरंजन साहू डॉक्टर सस्मिता पाढ़ी डॉक्टर रतिकांत नायक डॉक्टर मानवेन्द्र पात्र डॉक्टर लक्ष्मीकांत राजू श्री सरोज पाढ़ी डॉक्टर भवानी शंकर गौड़ प्रभुदत्त मिश्र प्रोफेसर सरोज पाढ़ी प्रोफेसर पूर्णेन्दु मिश्र रही। तेज संतोष कुमार नायक वासुदेव पाढ़ी गोपबंधु उत्तरकबाट सुनील राय पीतांबर साहू परिचालन करते। यह अवसर में विशिष्ट महाकाश विज्ञानी तथा पद्मश्री डॉक्टर कोटा हरिनारायण विज्ञान में सम्मान सूचक डॉक्टरेट डिग्री हासिल करथिबा बेले विशिष्ट ओडिया कंठशिल्पी श्रीमती नमिता अग्रवाल को साहित्य सम्मान सूचक डॉक्टरेट डिग्री प्रदान करा जायतिबा देखिबाक मिलिथा। ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट ओम टीवी ओडिशा।
University in 2024. So this is the first convocation, the graduating students getting the degree directly from the university itself. But we still have that legacy to continue. The legacy one is the student first. We always make sure our students excel in academic, excel in research, become good human being beyond the certificate, beyond the transcript. Number two, we are very much into research. We are doing a lot of applied research, which will not only change the kind of creativity of the student, but it will change the fundamental paradigm of the state and the country. We are building a lot of things, private 5G network, AI. We are doing a lot of projects like non-dairy milk, which will really bring fundamentally differentiated change and disruptive change to our country, to our nation, to our state, to our society. Third thing, we always believe in collaborative and inclusive growth for everybody. It's not me about us. Our student, faculty are always involved. How this locality, how this community, how the school, how the college, how the orphanage, how the sea beach improve, and including blood donation. Like if there is a crisis in blood, people come to NIST, and we are involved very much for inclusive growth of everybody. So that's our motto. But we want to build the NIST as a de facto R&D hub of the state, where we will bring company, build high-tech company, make different to the community, country and the state. That's what we do.
SIT for their first convocation, and this is a very good institute, as already we all know this is the graduating students passing out, and most of the students are placed. Around 23 lakhs is the highest package and around 5 to 6 lakhs of the average package. Lot of opportunity for the students here, and the kind of faculty members, the quality of faculty members, the quality of administration here. It is a nice opportunity for the students who are graduating here to go in the outside world, whatever they have learned here. Indian economy, as I have already told in my speech, is the fastest growing economy. It is growing at the rate of 6 to 7%. If you see world, any other country, it's going, even China is growing at the rate of 3 to 4%. Next 3 years, India is going to be the third largest economy, and by 2047 to become the developed nation. So India is growing economy, lot of the thrust on infrastructure development, core industries, you see steel, aluminium, coal, power, all the industries will grow in the coming days, because government is putting a lot of investment in infrastructure development, science and technology, urban cities. All these investments are going to create industries and create a lot of job opportunities for the young people. Main advice to the youth is there will be a lot of opportunities to make themselves more and more skillful, more and more resilient, and they should see that they are more and more physically fit, competitive, to take care of the competitive world.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
और ब्रह्मपुर ହେଇଛି ଆମ ବ୍ରହ୍ମପୁର ଲୋକ ଆମର ପଢ଼ାପଢ଼ି ସବୁ ଏଠି ହେଇଥିଲା ନା ସୋ ଆଇ ଫେଲ୍ଟ ହ୍ୟାପି ଟୁ ବି ହିୟର୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଆଜିକାଲି ରିସେଣ୍ଟଲି ୱାର୍ ହେଇଛି डिफेंस प्रिपेयरनेस ଆମର ଜଣା ପଡ଼ିଲା आई एम हैप्पी दैट व्हाट आवर प्रोडक्ट्स दैट वर डेवलप्ड इन इंडिया देयर शुड बी प्रेशर ऑफ द वार आगे टेस्ट करथिले बट टेस्ट इन एक्चुअल वार is a real test. So I feel that as a country we are now come to next level. Not only in economy but also in defense preparedness and in aerospace. And how good can as a team I am come space, all the armed forces, DRDO and general, everybody military, they have done this. Air defense system jaha tiyari hela, it is what you call layers quantity, from something like 20 kilometers to something 300 kilometers, and worked very well. So it shows that ame economy re badchu, our technology re badchu, our defense preparedness re badchu. I am looking forward to India rising to by 2030. It will be counted among the top 5 superpowers in the world.